on a topiary tree. Yeah, so if you're not sure, remember how to actually do this, I'd get a couple of stems of cinnamon sticks. There's no aces with this, which I'm sorry, it's my fault. I think 3 pieces is quite secure. I think 2 sometimes can be a bit weak. Perfect. Okay. Here's one we prepared earlier. Foam inside, yeah? I'd make sure it's soaked because it adds to weight. What I've done also in the past is, pre-done, is you can use cement. So line it with cellophane and put these already pre-done in a bit of quick dry cement. And that actually stops them from falling out as well. But leave a little bit of this amount here to put some foam, just in case you want to put moss or flowers at the bottom. I'm going to tie it with, I'm just going to tie it with this. You can use raffia obviously if you want to. You can decorate the stem with some ribbon because it's wedding-y. I'm just tying at the bottom here to start with, because this is going to get lost in the actual foam. So you can do your own colour scheme, do what you want. So our plan is, over the next 10 weeks, is to complete Unit 206, which formula is one of them, and then to move on to the function decorating unit, which is 210, and that's our last practical unit, which is where we do garlands and buffet designs. I'm going to put a bit of glue on the end of this as well. So I've preheated the glue gun over here. What I'm just going to do is put a blob of glue on the end, and it's very hot, so just be warned not to touch it straight away. Okay, so this is a hot glue gun. Steam, isn't it? I'd put a bit of glue to start with just there, so it's secured. Obviously let that dry before you do this bit. And then you're going to level them off. Now be careful when you do the glue, don't go like that, okay, and then this, because any excess glue is just going to drip down all over your hand. So you have to go a bit quick, you have to have the confidence and just go for it, okay, and just push it on. You don't want to come out the other end. If you do get glue on your finger, it's not the end of the world, but don't pick it off, go and run it under a cold tap. Because what will happen is, if there's a lot more than that, it will just take the skin with it. So little bits like this is okay, but if you had loads, just run it under a cold tap. And it does burn for a little bit, but it does settle down. And then all you're doing is this, in your shape. You might want to put some ribbons coming down as well. And then you might want to put some moss at the bottom or some little flowers here as well. Make it sort of a bit wedding-y. You might want to decorate the container. Okay, but that's the preparation part really of the topiary tree. Okay, so yeah, you might not get the opportunity to do that straight away. You might want to start with this, but it'd be nice over the next sort of today, get at least 2 done, and then Thursday and Monday to finish the other one.